Hello everyone. Being a teacher, sometimes we see some students who are good in reading but pronounce some words wrong. They don't know how to pronounce a particular word. Do you know why? This happens when sounds of some letters are not clear to them. So, today I am going to tell you how to identify sounds of letters. Let's see the importance of sounds. It is highly essential in every child's education. It helps children how to spell words. It helps children to pronounce the words correctly. The three primary colors are red, yellow and blue. If you mix these colors, you can create a whole rainbow of new colors. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Mix them correctly and you will be able to spell, read and speak more than 40 different sounds of English. We know English can be confusing as some letters make different sounds. For example, ON is pronounced as on, ONE is pronounced as one, and PHONE is pronounced as phone. There are some different letters which make the same sound, like newt and suit both share the same blue sound. Don't worry, native speakers misspell words too. But we should emphasize on sounds of letters to correct our pronunciation. Are you finding it a lot to remember? Don't worry, just breathe, smile, relax. You are doing the best and you can. Sounds of letters are different, but their names remain same. So, let's learn the letters first. Here we go. Please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now forget the names of letters. Let's learn sounds. There are 26 letters. Out of them, 5 are vowels. We have 5 vowels in English. Sometimes we get confused what sounds vowels make. First vowel is A. A. Open your mouth wide. Apple. Apple. Egg. Igloo. O. Octopus. Umbrella. These are short vowel sound. The symbol over any vowel means it has a short sound. It has a short sound. The sounds of English are like music. The other letters of the alphabets are consonants. These sounds are like the beat in the music of English. For example, K, T, P, Z, etc. hard C words. Usually when C is followed by the vowel A, O or U, the C is hard and sounds like K. For example, cab, can, cap, cat, etc. If the letters E and I follow the letter C, then C makes a soft sound. For example, cinema, circle, ceiling, etc. When G is followed by the vowel A, O, U, then G is hard and sound like G, game, goat, gum, etc. Usually when G is followed by the E, I or Y, the G is soft and sounds like J. For example, gem, giant, gym, etc. Let's observe the sounds of consonants. B, B, K, K, D, D, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, 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 P, P, Qua, Qua, R, R, T, T, V, V, Wa, Wa, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Friends, you already know letters and their sounds. You just need to practice reading. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.